Okay. We're from Vietnam.
We're from Vietnam.
This is a Vietnamese car. Hello guys. Welcome to Quang Ninh, Vietnam, and this is a supercar. Look at the color. It's a unique one in Vietnam. You haven't ever seen it. This is the unique one. The unique one, I have to tell you. Surprise! I have to close it first and then I open. Can you give me the flag? Yeah, it's a Vietnamese flag. I want it, give me. Yeah, it is Vietnamese product. Alright everyone. This is Vietnamese product. We're from Vietnam.
We're from Vietnam.
We're from Vietnam.
We're from Vietnam.
This is a Vietnamese car. I'm so proud of you guys. Okay. Okay. Let's make a tour to the spring flower market. Alright guys, let's go. Yeah, this is storage. This is storage. See? You can sit down here. You can sit down here and I close it in case we have no more seat. Yeah, you can now. And I drive you guys. Is there any special thing you want to introduce to those previous models? They often order, they use the second-hand material, but for this version, they order the total new one. So it's so like modern, so new. Yeah?
Yeah.
What else? Còn gì nữa không?
No.
Tell me more about the inside or the engine, động cơ hay bên trong có cái gì đặc biệt khác nữa?
Động cơ thì
audience.
Động cơ thì dùng động cơ i4.
The engine is called i4.
i4 1.8 lít.
1.8 liter.
Yeah.
What can we do with this?
Yeah.
Chúng ta có thể làm gì với chiếc xe này?
Ngồi lên và đi chơi.
Sit down and hang. Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go. Wow, let's see this gentleman.
Come in, please.
Thank you.
Come in, please.
Thank you so much. Yay! My pleasure to take you guys to a tour to the supercar. I hope you enjoy the tour, and if you like it, guys, and ring the bell so you can see more videos.